Good morning to my PUC secondary students. Today online class we have discussed a sunny morning one act plays glossary. Last we discussed about on a particular topics. A sunny morning is written by two brothers, Spanish brothers, and you have understood about the two Spanish brothers. And today's class we have discussed glossary on a sunny morning. A sunny morning. A sunny morning, glossary. Glossary. We have discussed glossary on particular topic a sunny morning. You know that, my dear students, glossary is very important concept in every concept. You have understand the proper ways the glossary, it is useful to you. You have understand the proper topics or concept in your syllabus. First, in a sunny morning some of the words, and in these words there is some of a meanings. In a sunny morning, dawn. Dawn means sir. Dawn means sir. Donna. Donna means miss or madam. Madam. Donna means miss or madam. Handsome. Handsome means good looking. Handsome means good looking. Married. Married means married, the capital of Spain. The capital of Spain. Unimpaired. Unimpaired means not damaged. Not damaged. Unimpaired means not damaged. Means strong. Powerful. Powerful means a colorful umbrella. A colorful umbrella. Powerful means a colorful umbrella. Next, Sinora. S-C-N-O-R-A. Sinora means the Spanish term for madam or Mrs. Madam madam or Mrs. Spanish word. Federal means in this topic, madam or Mrs. in Spanish word. Adios. Adios. Adios means farewell. Farewell. Or goodbye. Goodbye. Next, retired. Retired means lonely. In this topic, lonely. Retired means lonely. Next words. SPRY. Sparest means active or energetic. Active or energetic means in Kannada it is called a churuk. Right? Dilettantes. What? Glutons. Glutons means what? Glutons means those who eat excessively. Those who eat excessively. Excess. Those who eat excessively means patte. You know, Kannada it is patte baku. Next, threnodine. Threnod means song of lamination. Song of lamination. In Kannada it's called I think Shokad Giti, sorrow songs, etc. Three-nodi means song of laminations. Gouty. Gouty. Gouty means suffering from joints. Suffering from joints. Suffering from joints means I think in Kannada it was Sandhivata. Next, rout means destroy. Or chase them out. Rout means destroy or chase them out. Next, subside. Stay quiet. Subside means stay quiet. Next, arvoka. Arvoka means a neighborhood of the city of Madrid. Arvoka means a neighborhood. A neighborhood of the city of Madrid. So my dears, these words occurred in or found in textbook, but you don't know the real meaning of this one. So glossary is very very important. You know, Don means Donna means this or madam, handsome means good looking, Madrid means the capital of Spain, uninterred means not damaged, parcel means a colorful umbrella, Cinderella means this word is called in madam or Mrs. in Spanish word. Adios means farewell or goodbye. Retired means lonely. Parents, active or energetic. Gluttons, those who eat excessively. Threnoid, song of lamination. Gouty, suffering from joints. Rout means destroy or change them out. Subside, take white. Arvoka, a neighborhood of city of Madrid. The example asked you, what? Which is the capital of Spain? Madrid. Madrid is the capital of Spain. Clear? Arvoka, what mean by Arvoka? A neighborhood of city of Madrid. What? Arvoka, a neighborhood city of Madrid. So my dear ones, so it is very very important, and as you know, the meaning some of the words is also in your this dictionary forming. Let everybody read, write, price, and you can understand the proper way of the one act play listening for. So my dear ones, you can practice it in your home. Next, border. Next word, border. Border means what? Border means what? A private room, a woman's private room. A woman's private room. Border means a woman's private room. Next, Valencia. Valencia means it means in the Sunday morning, third largest city in Spain. Third largest city in Spain. They can ask which is the third largest city in Spain? Valencia. Next, castle. That means ship or boat. Ship or boat during the period of 15th to 17th century. Castle means ship during the period of 15th to 17th century. Next, prostrated. Prostrated means overcome with distress. Overcome with distress. Overcome with distress. I think in a current Balilidar means Balilidar. Protoski Grotesque means what? Distorted. Grotesque means distorted. Distorted. Next, dual. Duel. Fight between two people. Fight between two people. Fight between two people. Means द्वंद्व युद्ध etc in Kannada. Next. Campomor Sproncida Campomor Sproncida Jorilla and Pepes Bequia. Campomor Sproncida Jorilla and Bequia. They are the Spanish writer of 19th century, famous Spanish writer of 19th century. Exam asks you, name the two writers during the period of, name the two famous writers during the period of 19th century in Spain. So my dear ones, Campomor Sproncida Jorilla and Bequia, famous Spanish writer of 19th century. So my dear ones, these are the some of this glossary means some of the difficult words in the Sanimarine. So it is called a glossary. So my dear ones, here I taught this glossary concept in this online classes, and remaining what happened in this Sanimarine next class we have discussed the next class. Thank you and all.